Alright, let's walk through what's happening with Pieverse and why the charts are lighting up. Over the last 24 hours, Pieverse has ripped higher while its 7-day and 30-day gains look explosive. Yet trading volume is noticeably lower than the previous day. That mismatch, price up, volume down, is a red flag and a clue at the same time. Aggressive buying pressure from a smaller base of participants or concentrated flows from a few venues/wallets is pushing price higher, which can produce fast, headline-grabbing moves but also faster pullbacks if new buyers dry up. The most obvious, concrete catalyst is exchange listings and the derivatives flow that follows them. Binance put Pieverse on its alpha platform and launched a Pieverse/USDT perpetual futures contract with up to 40x leverage earlier this month. That opens the door to huge directional bets and quick liquidity influxes as traders both go long and short with leverage. Large derivatives listings like that draw attention, algos, and market-making activity, and they can turbocharge a token's volatility. Close behind that are other exchange listings that widened access to the token. Biconomy.com opened spot trading for Pieverse on November 19th, and CoinEx added Pieverse around November 20th. Every new exchange listing brings fresh eyeballs, new order books, and sometimes short-term retail FOMO, especially when the token is already showing momentum. Those staggered listings across different platforms can create a staggered pump effect. One exchange lights up, price jumps, then another listing reignites interest a day or two later. Finally, a practical risk note: new listings and futures leverage attract short-term speculators and market makers, not long-term project adoption overnight. If you're trading, size your position for the volatility. This kind of environment favors strict risk management and getting out quickly if the setup breaks. If you're investing, ask whether the on-chain activity, partnerships, and tokenomics support real adoption beyond the listing hype, because listings can lift a token for days, but sustained value requires utility and adoption. Bottom line, Pieverse is pumping today because a cluster of exchange listings, Binance Alpha plus Binance Futures with 40x, Biconomy Spot, CoinEx, and others, plus media attention and booster/distribution mechanics have concentrated buying pressure, and derivatives leverage amplified the price move. That created an attention loop during a fearful broader market, which further magnified the trend. The overbought technicals and falling 24-hour volume raised the risk of a quick pullback, so treat this as a high volatility setup. Possible big upside continuation, but also sizable downside risk if market structure or depth fails. Pieverse is a project focused on building compliant payment infrastructure for Web3. Its core mission is to bridge blockchain technology with real-world commerce by timestamping value and creating a verifiable on-chain payment system. Pieverse aims to become an agent-native compliant payment stack, providing foundational payment infrastructure for the Web3 ecosystem. This means it's more than just a payment tool. It's designed to address the complex needs of future decentralized commerce. Pieverse technical architecture centers on several core elements. On-chain verifiable credentials. The system can generate on-chain verifiable invoices, receipts, and checks, ensuring every transaction is accurately recorded and auditable. Compliance-focused design. The project places strong emphasis on meeting real-world regulatory requirements, such as tax reporting and auditing, which is a major advantage in today's crypto payments landscape. Seamless transaction experience. Pieverse aims to connect blockchain data with real-world compliance needs, lowering barriers for both users and merchants. Pieverse is not just a conceptual project. It has already made substantial progress. User and transaction scale. As of November 2025, Pieverse has accumulated over 1.1 million users, processed 1.4 million on-chain transactions, and generated more than 300,000 on-chain invoices. Technical integration. The project has partnered with platforms like Binance Wallet and launched the Pieverse Booster campaign to boost market presence. Future plans? Pieverse is rolling out integrations such as X402B, 4 HTTP network payments, and the Timestamping Alliance to enhance cross-project utility. Pieverse token fundamentals. To understand Pieverse's price trends, it's crucial to review its tokenomics as of November 18, 2025. Current price: $0.274. User provided. 24-hour trading volume: approximately $15.22 million. Circulating market cap: about $45.2 million. User provided. Ranking around 549 among cryptocurrencies. Circulating supply: 170 million Pieverse. representing 17% of total supply. Total and maximum supply, both set at 1 billion Pieverse. Fully diluted valuation, FDV approximately $239.8 million. All-time high, $0.3764. Reached on November 16, 2025. All-time low, $0.11286. Hit on November 15, 2025. Recent Pieverse price performance analysis. Since its debut on Gate, Pieverse has demonstrated high volatility, a common trait among newly listed altcoins.